like a pro, like a pro. Yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, like a pro. Making profit like a pro,
like a pro. Gonna let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money from the trades,
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And in class today, I teach class on Tuesdays in Trend Trading Academy at 7 o'clock. And in class today, one of the students, D-Rod, he asked about, you know, what do you do when price doesn't respect the supply zone? Supply and demand. In this case, he ran into a situation where price didn't respect the supply zone that he drew up, and he just blew right past it. And so there was a disconnection there, and I wanted to bring the connection. We don't trade with a bias, and I talked about it. And after that, I went on to show him how to stay on the right side of the trade. Wonderful strategy. You guys are gonna love this new strategy. It's not new, but it may be new to you guys. But it's using the MACD and the trend line. It's very, very powerful. And of course, I make it very, very simple. All right. I hope you enjoyed class today. This video is going to be very, very powerful. And I know you're going to be ready to use it the next day you trade. Just a couple times of back testing it, you should be ready to go. It's that simple and very, very powerful. And guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's dive in. All right. So you see this level right here? You put that Fibonacci on there. So you just looking at when price go rally and there's no consolidation. Like there's literally like one candle and the next candle shoot down. Like it should look like this. That's a proper supply zone. And this is the first touch. After this happened, this is the first touch. Okay. And then the third touch, you get weaker and weaker. That's what the textbooks say, how to do it. My thing is, I wasn't expecting, my mindset is different, bro. I wasn't expecting this to stop here. I wasn't expecting this to stop here, D-Rod, at this supply zone. I wasn't expecting that. What I was looking at was, hold on, how you undo this? What I was thinking about was, this is a money area. So it's either going to respect it or break through it. I'm ready either way. And you get ready for it either way, both ways. Okay, so find your level right here. Okay, so let's focus on this one right here with D-Rod. All right, so now price is above the 50, cool, but it's at a supply zone. It can either break through it. I'm okay with that because then I'm gonna build me a trade setup around price breaking the supply zone, D-Rod. I'm gonna build me a trade setup. Oh, you know, the way we do it, right? And then I'm gonna be ready. But until that happens, I'm gonna be ready for the sale too. So I'm gonna use my indicator for all my people that needed to strip it down and get back to the basics. Jay said, when it crosses, be on the lookout when you see price cross, because you're going to have time. This is not like split second stuff. Okay, this is not like split second stuff. Like it has to be super fast. You're going to have time. You're going to see all of this stuff develop. All right. So price crosses, and it needs to break a trend line. That's it. That's it. It needs to cross. But it's above here. So at this point, you're basically scalping kind of against the trend. This ain't what's the 4-hour chart, but I think the real trend is going up. But this temporary little trend right here, higher high stuff. This thing could have went higher and higher and higher, right? But you right here, you'll be scalping against the trend. The reason why I say that is just because of this. You'll be scalping to the 50. So I'll say you in the buyer's market. So you kind of scalping, you scalping a sell in the buyer's market. Let me just word it that way. Is that better?
you're scalping a sell move in a buyer's market. So you just have to know that. Go from low to high and start using your Fibonacci levels. Okay, so you got maybe a 23.6 to a 38.2. Get out of there. I'm not gonna say that's the safest thing to do, but I'm gonna give you every way. I'm not gonna hold nothing back for you guys. Right? Usually you can get from the 23.6 to the 38.2 and take profit. 23.6, 38.2, take profit. Stop loss is gonna have to be up here. Like you just gonna have to find your levels. If it don't make sense, don't take it, right? Simple. Now, I'm not trying to complicate this, so let me just take a break. Let me just take a break. Is this understandable? Like, because I can keep going deeper and deeper with it, but that's not the point of this. I'm trying to like help the people that's got too complicated. And we need to just strip this down and find ourselves on the right side of the market.
So I got to give a big shout out to D-Rod for asking that question in class tonight. Very, very powerful question. And it just brought out a little bit more detail than what I was normally going to talk about. So thank you, D-Rod, for asking a great, great question that was going to help thousands of people that watch my video. So good job there. And shout out to D-Rod as well, because he's becoming a great, great trader. Be looking out for him. We're raising traders, guys. We're not messing around. We're getting right to it. We don't string you along at Trend Trading Academy. We don't play any games. And what I know, I'm happy to share with you, because it doesn't hurt me to teach you how to trade. It just helps us all to grow as a family and make money and take profits in the Forex market. And guys, keep in mind, that was a snippet of that class. That class was about an hour long, and I went very, very in depth. I showed different scenarios. No strategy is foolproof. So every strategy has a time where it fails. And I talked about what to do when things are not lining up with this. What to do when price break the trend line, awkwardly, or it's a big engulfing candle breaks out of the trend line. What do you do next? What's the proper risk to reward with this? So I talked about that. So click the link above or in the description section if you want to watch the full video. Guaranteed it's going to blow your mind. All right. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.